Have you ever wondered what Beam means in banking? It's a term you might hear casually thrown around, but it's a concept that's crucial to understanding the financial world. Today, we're going to dive deep into what Beam is, how it works, and its importance in the banking industry. Beam is a financial technology, fintech, platform that bridges the gap between traditional banking and cryptocurrency. It's a decentralized exchange, DEX, that allows users to trade cryptocurrencies directly with each other without the need for intermediaries like banks or brokerages. Think of it as a peer-to-peer marketplace for digital assets. How does Beam work? At the core of Beam is a blockchain technology. The blockchain is a distributed ledger that records all transactions in a secure and transparent manner. When you use Beam, your transactions are verified and added to the blockchain, creating a permanent and immutable record. One of the key advantages of Beam is its privacy features. Unlike many other cryptocurrencies, Beam offers a high level of anonymity. This is achieved through a technology called Mimblewimble, which allows for confidential transactions. Key features of Beam. Decentralization. Beam operates on a decentralized network, ensuring that no single entity has control over the platform. Privacy. Beam offers a high degree of privacy through its Mimblewimble technology. Security. The blockchain technology used by Beam provides a secure and tamper-proof record of transactions. Accessibility. Beam is accessible to anyone with an internet connection, regardless of their location or financial background. Why is Beam important? Beam plays a crucial role in the evolution of the financial industry. Here are some reasons why it's important. Financial inclusion. By providing access to financial services to people who may be excluded from traditional banking systems, Beam helps promote financial inclusion. Innovation. Beam is at the forefront of financial innovation, exploring new ways to conduct transactions and store value. Efficiency. Beam's decentralized nature eliminates the need for intermediaries, making transactions faster and more efficient. Privacy. Beam's privacy features offer users a greater degree of control over their financial data. So, what is Beam in banking? It's a decentralized exchange that allows users to trade cryptocurrencies directly with each other. It's a platform that's revolutionizing the financial industry by providing greater accessibility, efficiency, and privacy. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.